To transfer money from Bovada to Bitcoin, you need to have a Bovada account and a Bitcoin wallet. First, log into your Bovada account and navigate to the cashier section. In the cashier section, select the withdrawal option and choose Bitcoin as your preferred withdrawal method. You will be prompted to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. So make sure you have your Bitcoin wallet address ready. It is essential to double-check your Bitcoin wallet address to avoid any errors. Once you have entered your Bitcoin wallet address, select the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Bovada will then process your withdrawal request, and the funds will be transferred to your Bitcoin wallet. The processing time may vary depending on the Bitcoin network congestion and Bovada's processing time. It is also important to note that Bovada may charge a small fee for Bitcoin withdrawals. Before initiating the transfer, ensure that your Bitcoin wallet is compatible with Bovada's Bitcoin withdrawal system. You can check Bovada's website for a list of compatible Bitcoin wallets. It is also crucial to keep your Bitcoin wallet and Bovada account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. To receive the funds in your Bitcoin wallet, you do not need to take any further action. The funds will be automatically credited to your Bitcoin wallet once the transaction is processed. However, you can check the status of your transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain to track the progress. In conclusion, transferring money from Bovada to Bitcoin is a straightforward process that requires a Bovada account, a Bitcoin wallet, and a stable internet connection. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely transfer your funds from Bovada to Bitcoin. Always remember to follow best practices and stay informed about any changes to Bovada's Bitcoin withdrawal policies.